Welcome back to another video. When you were younger and adults asked you, what do you want to be when you grow up? You probably didn't worry about how much money you make or how many years you'll spend in school. Your choice was based on your interests, your imaginations, and the role models and people you looked up to. Of course, now that you're thinking about your next step in education or how you'll support yourself once you're independent, your potential income shouldn't be a major factor in your decision. But it's not the only thing that matters. It includes understanding of the different pros and cons to particular careers like long work hours, financial stability, work environment, earning capacity, growth prospects, educational requirement, competencies needed, and so forth. So when you understand all these things and take a decision, that is called an informed career decision, and that is what we are exactly going to discuss in this video. So let's check Krishna. Krishna wishes to understand more about the career options he's aligned towards and get a 360-degree view of the same so that he can make an informed decision. And Krishna faces the challenge of uncertainty and complexity when choosing a career. And he wants to carefully consider each option to select the path aligned with his passions, strengths, and long-term goals. So let's try to understand what is informed decisions with the help of a story. And this ice cream that you're seeing will also, share something interesting based on this ice cream that you're seeing on the screen right now. Okay. So once there was Sarah, a lady, and her son Jayesh. And Jayesh actually, he scored very good marks in his board exams. And Sarah was very happy and she said, "Today, beta, I'll take you to the Naturals ice cream parlor and you can have as many ice creams as you want. So let's go and then begin our celebration." So they went to the Naturals ice cream parlor and Sarah asked Jayesh, "What would you like to have?" Jayesh said, "Anything, mama, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, kuch bhi order kar do, chalega." So Sarah said that this is a Naturals ice cream parlor, beta. There are so many options. Please look at the menu card. There are tutti fruttis, sundaes, milkshakes. There are so many fruit flavors which the outlet is famous for. Please go through them, maybe you find something better. So Jayesh reluctantly looks up to the menu card and he starts reading that. And when he goes through them, he actually finds that yes, mom was right. There are so many interesting options that are here. And he starts reading them, understanding the ingredients, maybe the toppings that they're using or the flavors. And, so then, based on that, he's shortlisting some of the options from there. And he discusses with his mom, but he's not able to finalize. So he goes with this list of shortlisted options to the person at the counter, at the billing counter, discusses with him or her, and then he makes his final choice of choosing to have tutti frutti. Now, which is better? Option 1 of choosing chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or option 2 of tutti frutti? Please let me know in the comment box which do you think is better. Of course, I know you would say option 2, right? Because he is choosing something different. But it's not the point of what he's choosing. The point that I want to make is how he's choosing. So because he has gone through the various options, understood their details, and then made his choice, that is called an informed decision making, right? So even if after going through all the options, he can still go and choose chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. That's perfectly fine. Because he's understood the options, and if he feels that those options which he chose initially were the best, that's perfectly fine. Same is for career also. That people are aware about mostly about the top 7 conventional career options. 93% students in India, yes, like IT, engineering, medicine, law, accountancy, management, design. These 7 career options people are aware about, right? And there are 250 plus options that are available. So you can explore these options, and if you like the new options, you can take from there, or you can even go back and choose the conventional options also. The conventional options of IT, management, engineering, medicine are perfectly fine. There's nothing against them. But we just want to stress on how you choose them so that you understand holistically and then make an informed choice. So this is what I wanted to mention about informed decisions. Now next comes the importance of an informed decision making. How do we make an informed career decision? That's what we are going to discuss now. Informed decision हमने समझा, but now specifically for career, that's what we are going to discuss and try to understand. So taking well-informed decisions also encourages, as we saw, the thinking beyond the traditional choices and thinking different and beyond the usual. It also helps you to find the passion in lives and how they can use the passion to build a career or bring about passion in what they do by choosing to align on values and thinking. So it's important to know what truly the heart desires and whether you really want to pursue that or not. So that's why some kind of this research is required. And how does it help? Well, there are 4 points that I want to mention. First is, it will help you in improving the confidence, right? So making an informed decision may help individuals feel more confident that they made the correct choice and keep them from second guessing their decision. So have a holistic understanding of the numerous options that are available to you. Second is creating more realistic expectations. With informed decision making, individuals can have a better idea of the risk and benefits related to each career option, which gives them more realistic expectations of the decision's outcome. So understanding the pros and cons of each career is very, very important, because that will create realistic expectations. Then comes learning more options. So sometimes we just are aware about few options and we want to choose from them. However, learning more options will help you to learn about those choices which you might not even heard before, not considered before. So 250 plus options are available as opposed to students being aware of a handful. So new age careers like AI, robots, gaming, animation, cryptology, actually these are very much required to be understood by the students so that they can expand, explore more options and expand their horizon and then make a choice. Fourth is allow for more control. So when individuals make informed decisions, it gives them more control over making the choice that they feel is best for them after they have considered all the variables related to each different choice. So understanding different aspects of a particular career, like the competencies required, what exactly will be the job role, educational requirement, career pathway, how after 10th, 12th, graduation, what all I need to do, the courses, etc., the journey, the employment opportunities, the future prospect, salary growth, etc. So all this will help you to make an informed decision and have more control in your life. So now let's see how you can explore different careers. Okay. So the first that I want to suggest is online exploration. If you feel that you're not aware about the different career options and fields available, then the best way to explore this is using the internet. So go through YouTube videos and search about different career options available for your domain and interests. So if you're a student of class 10th or 12th, you better seek out all the options and gain knowledge about different fields, make a list or notes of your selected profitable domain and try some activity to get more clarity. Search about your interest, abilities, work activities which are available. And this exploration can help you identify best possible career paths based on what you like or are good, and will help you understand how you think and learn, what matters to you in a job. This will boost up your knowledge about different fields that you may not be even aware of. And you can even use ChatGPT to ask them different questions about different careers, etc. That will also help you to understand about different trends that are currently going on. So online exploration is a very important activity that you could do. Second is visiting career fairs. A career is an open field of guidance. A career fair is an open field of guidance, consultancy and exploration of multiple career options for students. The benefits of career fairs for students include direct interactions, brochures, interaction with other students and many others. And there are multiple reasons to attend a career fair, as every student has different reasons and advantages to attend them in the first place. Some of the many reasons for attending a career fair and benefits of career fairs for students include direct interactions, career opportunities, networking, personal branding and more. So one can understand that attending a career fair can come with many reasons as listed above and will make a positive impact on the life of any student or person. So one can improve their skills or get an opportunity from any of the available company or corporates. So analyze the market, demands, competitions and many of the factors are very important reasons to go to a career fair. And even in career fair, there were many universities also who come, who showcase, their different, what kind of courses that they are offering. So you can go through that, you can understand what is available, but be very careful that sometimes there will be agents who try to promote those courses to you, which may or may not be suitable for you. If it's not suitable for you, please don't go for them, because these agents, because they will need their commission, and because they want their commission, they may promote that to you. So be very careful about that. Next is internships or projects. So internship is a brilliant way of career exploration. In fact, one of the most powerful ways. Most times when you go for internship, you don't require any experience. So it is easier to land than a full-time job. So along with your school or college, even if you're in high school students, internships you can do it at 9, 10, 11, 12. And when you go for a full-time position after interning, you are a more desirable hire than your peers. And employers are more interested in your real-world experience instead of your book knowledge. So this internship, suppose you are interested, आपको लगता है कि मेरे को graphic design शायद करना चाहिए, but you're not very sure. If you do a 2-month internship in graphic design, that will allow you to test out specific techniques learned in the classroom and see that whether it will be okay for you to work in the long term when you enter the working world. So it's an opportunity to apply what you have learned in a safe environment where it's okay to do mistakes, rather than learn the hard way when you have the first job. तो ये आपके पास टाइम है एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का, एंड यू कैन डू मल्टीपल इंटर्नशिप्स इन डिफरेंट डोमेन. सपोज आपको लगता है कि मुझे जर्नलिज्म करना चाहिए या मुझे ग्राफिक डिजाइन करना चाहिए, या मे बी इफ आई एम ओके टू वर्क एट अ हॉस्पिटल, सो यू कैन डू वेरियस इंटर्नशिप्स इन डिफरेंट डोमेन्स फॉर 2 or 3 terms, months, short internships, and that can help you to explore and understand कि मेरे लिए सही है या नहीं. It's a brilliant way of exploring, and we have a course called Internship Vision Formula in the Gold membership, where we discuss step by step on how you can apply for internships, what are the different kinds of internships that are available, and also how to convert an internship into a job offer. All these details are there. So if you have already a gold member, you'll definitely have access to that. If you're not a gold member, you can consider upgrading to that as well. You can reach out to us on our email to know more about it. Now, coming to the next point is networking with industry professionals. So career networking involves using personal, professional, academic, or family contacts to assist with the job search, achieve career goals, learn more about your field or another field you like to work in. So networking can be a good way to hear about job opportunities or get in at a company you'd like to work with. And networking is very important because it can alert you to career opportunities and connect with you to people who can help you understand कि वो career आपके लिए सही है कि नहीं. For example, Peter was interested in pursuing a career in medicine. He mentioned his interest to a family friend who happened to be a doctor. The doctor arranged for Peter to spend a day shadowing at the hospital and provide an excellent recommendation for medical school. So this is how you can broaden your horizon and can even explore different suggestions that you're not even aware about. So that is why this community is there, where you can even reach out to other people or other parents who may be professionals in a different domain. You can network and help your child explore that particular career. So after when Peter actually went on to explore in the hospital, he realized that he was not very comfortable in doing this for the long term, and he started looking for other options as well. So whether you like it, whether you resonate with it or not, that learning experience will definitely help you. Plus, it will help you to take this important decision of experimenting or trying out that particular career option or that ambience of the environment before you make the actual long-term choice. So to conclude, it's very important to move together in this journey to help you find the right path for you. And just as a skilled chess player analyzes the board, anticipates opponents' moves, and strategically plans the next steps, an informed career decision allows you to think several moves ahead. आपको एक ट्रायल करने को देता है. It gives you an opportunity to try out things before you can actually make the final choice. So you can align your passions, strengths, and aspirations with industries that offer growth, stability, and personal fulfillment. So when you make an informed decision, you equip yourself with a compass of knowledge, more experience, a roadmap of industry insights, and you also have a network of experienced mentors. And if you do internships, you will get certificates as well as a lot of learning, and your resume will also grow. So you not only gain a deep understanding of the job markets, ebbs and flows, emerging trends and evolving technologies, but you get armed with complete awareness. And you can also learn how to adapt yourself to different challenges, develop your skills, explore niche areas, and position yourself strategically to seize upon the ever-existing opportunities. So this is the power of making an informed decision. तो देखते हैं कृष्णव को क्या हो रहा है अभी. Krishna is eager to make an informed decision that brings fulfillment and success, and he is preferring to use ChatGPT, and he plans to take up internships very soon to explore more options. And he already applied for an internship in influence building on social media. Have you also done so? So let me know which of the points that were mentioned in this video would you like to use for career exploration? Whether you're going to go to career fairs, whether you're going to do internships, or you're going to network with industry professionals, what are you going to do? इन चारों में से आप कौन सा करने वाले? Online exploration, which I mentioned, using YouTube videos or ChatGPT. Are you going to do an internship? Are you going to attend a career fair? Or you're going to network with industry professionals who understand and explore more career options? Let me know in the chat box which of these four would you be using. Okay. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.